Welcome back, readers! For our newcomers, my name is Acharchelle from the Irvington Public Library. For today's story time, I will be reading Lucky Dogs by Joowon, a story about fostering pups. On the first Saturday of every month, there was a pet adoption fair in the park by Ruth's house. Ruth and her mom were moving to a new home that didn't allow pets, but there was no harm in looking. Ruth noticed a sign about dogs looking for foster homes. What is fostering? Ruth asked her mom. It's when you take care of a dog in your house until they find a forever family, her mother explained. A shelter can be scary for dogs, a nearby volunteer told Ruth. When they are in the comfort of a home, they can overcome fears and learn to interact with people. Mom, can we foster a dog? We aren't moving for a couple months. Please? Ruth begged. That's a great idea, her mom agreed. One stormy night, Ruth woke up to Ginger whining. She brought Ginger into bed with her and cuddled until he fell asleep. Ruth couldn't imagine what life must have been like without a home. It's okay, Ginger. I'm here for you. I'm here with you. It wasn't long before Ginger warmed up to Ruth and became comfortable around people. He was curious, playful, and learned many tricks. He even liked Ruth's friends. Ruth was happy to see how easily Ginger made friends. But one question crossed her mind. What if I don't make new friends when we move? She worried. A couple of weeks later, Ginger finally found his forever family. It was sad to say goodbye to Ginger, but Ruth was glad he'd have another dog to keep him company and a backyard to run around in. Ruth gave Ginger a big hug. Soon after Ginger left, Ruth and her mom decided to foster a 12-year-old dog named Daisy. Daisy spent most of the day sleeping. Sometimes, when Ruth took Daisy for a walk, Daisy would get tired. They would take a break and admire the view. It wasn't long before Daisy also found her forever family with a couple that had recently retired. You're a lucky girl, Daisy. Ruth gave Daisy a kiss. I know you'll be loved in your new home. Ruth was getting more and more nervous about moving. But watching Ginger and Daisy meet their new families made her feel braver. Ruth and Cody were friends right away. Ruth knew when Cody wanted to go for a run, when he wanted his favorite belly rubs. Ruth was moving in just 2 weeks, and no one had asked about Cody. Ruth had to do something special to help him find his family soon. On the day of the adoption fair, Ruth and her friends spread the word about Cody and how special he was. After they had been there for a few hours, the girl approached Cody. "You look exactly like my old dog," she said. She told Ruth that her dog had died last year. "You want to live with me?" the girl asked Cody. "Woof, woof!" Cody was so happy that he could not stop wagging his tail. "I love you, Cody. I'm going to miss you," Ruth said, holding back tears. All of Ruth's lucky dogs had found their forever homes. Goodbyes were hard. But Ruth knew hellos were possible. The end. Thank you everyone for joining me today's story time, and I will see you next week. Bye!